Hello, my dear lovely students. So there are many controversies going on regarding some question in physics and biology, because in the options, one or two options are correct, right? So we will see if you're getting the free marks in those questions or not. So let's see everything, all the criteria. On the basis of that, you're getting the free marks or the bonus marks in the NEET exam, right? And this is from the NTA website itself. So let's see what are the criteria in order to get the bonus mark. First, correct answer or the most appropriate answer. That means you are getting 4 marks if you are, if you have marked the correct answer or appropriate answer. Any incorrect answer will be giving you -1, that we know. Unanswered answer or unmarked answer will be giving you no mark. So if you have not attempted questions, you will be getting 0 marks, no bonus marks at all. Now, what are the criteria for the bonus marks? If more than one option is found to be correct, then 4 marks will be awarded to only those who have marked any of these correct options, right? So suppose in the option 2 answers are correct and a student have marked any of these 2 questions, then they will be getting full 4 marks. So that means in those controversial questions, if you marked any of the controversial answer, you will be getting free plus 4 marks, right? If all options are found to be correct, then 4 marks will be awarded to only those who have attempted the question. So suppose all the 4 options are correct and you have attempted the question, you have marked any of those 4, you will be getting 4 marks irrespective of the answer, because all the 4 answers are correct, right? So you'll be getting the full marks for that. If none of the options is found correct, or a question is found to be wrong, or a question is dropped, then all candidates who have appeared will be given 4 marks irrespective of the fact whether the question has been attempted or not attempted by the candidate. So that means if no option is correct, no option is found correct in a question, and all the options are incorrect, right? Or question is incorrect, or question is dropped, then all the candidates who have appeared will be given 4 marks irrespective of the fact whether the question has been attempted or not attempted by the candidate. So the last point is, if the question is wrong, or if all the answers are wrong, or if the question is wrong and question has to be removed, in that condition, those kids who are appeared for the NEET exam, all the kids, irrespective they have attempted it or not attempted it, they will be getting the free answers. They will be getting the free marks, free plus 4 marks, right? So these are the bonus marks. I hope all the points are clear to you kids, and this is from the NTA website itself. So if you have, now you can just check those controversial questions if you have marked the correct answer, and let's wait for the NTA answer key also, right? And perhaps you can get the free mark this time. So in case you have anything in the mind, please write down in the comment box. Have a great day, kids.